So yo, me hear say a boy named Justin I try to warn me over Facebook. A site that I'm not even on. But yo, want to make you listen to it here? Cause Justin I try to war Gaza screen is foolishness. This man will get erased, robot like wrong answer on test. Don't mess with me youth. But yo, listen to the film, hear the man thing. What up?
Dear Matthew, my food is fast, I'm representing you at Texas. I just on this reporting live from the Gaza, live from the Gaza. I'm telling you this.
Party on!
What is a boom camp? What is a boom camp? You don't want to talk about one teach one Gucci shoes. What is a boom camp?
Gucci, Gucci.
One from the road.
$52
Next
piece.
is them bread orange fishing bread. Oh, me no girl. I know, oh, me no because I'm the girl. Oh, me no because I see a man, the man look. Be there, man, the man pray. The man boom camp pray each other. But that way, man, fast like a wood. You could live up on a track, end up seeing that spike in my father. Come chat me head, my done boy, I'm dead.
Oh, when I talk about spike me off a truck when you run at 25 on the twice 100, relax yourself, no fall for you. Anyway, you live in but know where you live. But know who you live with. You make them kill you. Relax yourself. You can't this Gaza squid here. You want to warn me? Step on YouTube. Put up a video on YouTube. No Facebooking. Real thing this year. Okay, fly with Africa here. Relax yourself. You're older than me, but you're fool. Relax, youth. About Gucci. Gucci my backside about Gucci. $52 pay for that, or any amount if you put in a business. But know where you buy it. In a real. Relax yourself. Here? About home now. My name is Gaza School. Home yo. You see it. But yo, the girl in me so much thing that you know, but I know for one thing. It's not home now. So relax yourself here. All the girl call herself my Juliet. And I'm her Romeo. Never in home. See? Clap, clap. Boom. Don't violate me ever again. But if you want a war, send it here. For a long time you look a war. Here? You have no life and what any life right now. You're a fox one. Right. That me say that that my meaning. Don't want here. You know what? Pull it closer so people can hear me. Come on, you know when probably can't hear me. Sorry for that. But yo, listen up. This man getting cross. This man is getting hungry. He's bunty and Movado putting on one. One come on. Leave that boy. Bring it. Send it. Answer this video. Alright. End it. Roll up. God